Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at the ASRock Phantom Gaming Z890I Nova Wi-Fi motherboard. The ASRock Phantom Gaming Z890I Nova Wi-Fi is one of the smallest Z890 motherboards on the market and super compact, measuring just 17 by 17 centimeters. It utilizes Intel's Z890 chipset and supports all the latest Core Ultra processors on the LGA1851 socket. It features a 12+1+1 power phase design with 110 amps SPS for V-Core on a 10-layer 2-ounce copper PCB and includes 20K capacitors for superb stability. It also comes with a composite heatsink with a heat pipe and includes a cooling fan for effective heat dissipation. There's one PCIe 5x16 slot for your next-gen graphics cards and two DDR5 DIMM slots supporting both XMP and EXPO memory modules with speeds of up to DDR5-9866 OC. For storage, it comes with two SATA ports and one blazing M.2 PCI Gen 5 slot, and on the rear you have two Hyper M.2 PCI Gen 4 slots for your SSDs. There's plenty of connectivity with a total of 11 USB ports and two Thunderbolt 4 ports, a 5 gigabit LAN, Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth. To give you an idea how small this motherboard is, I have an iPhone next to this motherboard and you can check out the size. It's pretty compact. This motherboard is perfect for special modding projects, mini gaming PCs and small form factor PC builds. We'll be testing this motherboard using an Intel Core Ultra 9 285K processor along with 48GB of DDR5 8000 RAM. We'll also be using a GeForce RTX 4080 Super to see how the whole system performs. So let's put this into our test rig, but before we do that, let's do a quick unboxing and we'll see you in a bit. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the ASRock Phantom Gaming Z890I Nova Wi-Fi motherboard. It supports all the latest Intel Core Ultra processors and comes with Wi-Fi 7 and also Thunderbolt ports. Alright, let's take a look inside the box. Right. This is the motherboard. We'll take a look at that in a sec. Here we have the Wi-Fi 7 antenna, the RGB extension cable, a temperature probe, a pair of SATA ports. We have three M.2 screws for your SSDs, a Phantom Gaming keycap, a Phantom Gaming badge, and a quick installation guide and some regulatory notices. And here we have the motherboard, the ASRock Phantom Gaming Z890I Nova Wi-Fi motherboard. It's quite a compact motherboard, as you can see, measuring 17 by 17 centimeters. And here we have a comparison with the iPhone right there. Comes with a nice heatsink here with a heat pipe. And this motherboard uses a 12+1+1 power phase design with 110 amps SPS on a 10-layer 2-ounce copper PCB. Here we have the LGA1851 socket supporting all the latest Intel Core Ultra processors. We'll start at the top right here. We have one 8-pin PCI power connector here. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4-pin fan headers, a 3-pin ARGB. Here's your 24-pin ATX power connector here. We have a USB 3 header here, two SATA ports, a USB Type-E. There's your temperature probe, and the pinouts for your front panel I/O, and then we have a USB 2 header and also another 3-pin ARGB. We have two DDR5 DIMM slots supporting both XMP and EXPO memory modules with speeds of up to DDR5-9866 OC. Underneath this heatsink we have one blazing M.2 PCI Gen 5 slot for your SSD. This is the PCIe 5x16 slot for your graphics card, and the pinouts for your audio here. On the back of the motherboard, we have not just one, but two Hyper M.2 PCI Gen 4 slots for your SSDs. Alright, let's take a look at the I/O panel. We'll start over here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 USB 3 and two USB 3.2 Gen 2. And then we have 1, 2 Thunderbolt 4 Type-C ports, HDMI output, a 5 gigabit LAN, and the Wi-Fi 7 connectors. There's a BIOS flashback button and connectors for your audio. Yep, this is a very nice motherboard and comes with some nice features, and is perfect for any system builder wishing to build a mini ITX or a small form factor PC. Alright, so this was a quick unboxing of the ASRock Phantom Gaming Z890I Nova Wi-Fi motherboard.
What makes mini ITX motherboards so attractive is its compact size, measuring just 17 by 17 centimeters in dimensions. What's more, because of its compact size, it can be virtually used in any case, making it ideal for small form factor PC builds, special PC modding projects, and mini gaming PCs. The ASRock Phantom Gaming Z890I Nova Wi-Fi is the perfect mini ITX motherboard for this type of use. It's packed with a load of features and utilizes Intel's high-end Z890 chipset, supporting all the latest Core Ultra processors on the LGA1851 socket. It also features a solid 12+1+1 power phase design with 110 amps SPS for V-Core on a 10-layer 2-ounce copper PCB with 20K black caps for superb power delivery and stability. So how does it perform? Well, we used an Intel Core Ultra 9 285K for our tests, along with 48GB of DDR5-8000 RAM and a GeForce RTX 4080 Super. We managed to get some extremely good scores in all of our benchmarks, including a Cinebench 2024 score of 2,304 points for multi-core and 124 points for single-core. For PC Mark 10 and Pass Mark 11, we got good scores of 8,911 and 18,374 respectively. For Procyon Video Editing Benchmark, we got a score of 53,587 and a score of 197 for the AI Computer Vision benchmark. For 3D Mark Steel Nomad and Speedway, we got very good scores of 6,728 and 7,532 respectively. And finally, for Port Royal and TimeSpy, we got a respectable score of 18,611 and 26,647 respectively. So overall, I'm pretty impressed with how it performed, especially for a compact mini ITX motherboard. The ASRock Phantom Gaming Z890I Nova Wi-Fi isn't just compact and small, it's also packed with a load of features and offers good performance overall. If you're after a high-end Z890 mini ITX motherboard, then take a look at this. It's perfect for special PC modding projects, small form factor PC builds, and mini gaming PCs. You can check out the full review on our website at funkykit.com.
And there you have it. That was a quick look at the ASRock Phantom Gaming Z890i Nova Wi-Fi motherboard. It's a super compact mini ITX motherboard that's packed with features and offers decent performance. It's perfect for mini ITX gaming PCs, special project builds, and small form factor PC builds. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget you can actually buy this via the links in the description, and of course visit our website for more news, reviews and hot tips. Oh yeah, don't forget, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.